How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about commercial property insurance for manufacturing businesses and some of the key items and coverages that you should be considering when it comes to this part of your commercial insurance program. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether that's for yourself, your business, or your family, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. First, let's talk about building coverage. If you own the property that you work out of, it's important to make sure that you have an accurate replacement cost estimate for that building. So if something does ever happen, such as a fire or a natural disaster, you have the proper coverage in place. This means looking at factors like the size and square footage of your facility, the construction type, and then also the year it was built. Next is to consider your business personal property, also known as contents coverage or BPP. This includes all of the machinery and equipment in your facilities. And it's also important to make sure that you're accounting for the value and replacement cost of any stock and inventory as well. These can obviously fluctuate throughout the year, especially if you're dealing with peak seasons or anything like that. So it is something to keep an eye on and make sure that you are accounting for that in your coverage. And if you own multiple properties and have lots of expensive machines and equipment, you want to see if blanket coverage is an option with the insurance company that you work with. Not every insurance company will offer it depending on your exact exposures and everything of that nature, but blanket coverage can allow you to have flexibility in coverage between locations and different property types if there is a major loss. Then there's business income coverage. One question that you might want to ask around this coverage is, have you filled out a business income worksheet recently? This can help you understand how much coverage exactly you would need if your operations were to shut down for a certain period of time due to a covered claim. And another thing to check with the insurance company you work with is, do they offer this business income, business interruption coverage on an actual loss sustained basis? This is a nice coverage option to have included on your policy so that you know you are covered for the actual losses sustained during any downtime that your business might have. In addition to these core coverages on your commercial property insurance policy, there are a few other areas that you might want to look into and consider. Ordinance and law coverage is an example. This can help cover the cost of complying with any building codes or updates that may have been updated since your building was originally built and you have to rebuild any portion of the property after a loss. This is a key coverage to have on if you are operating out of an older facility. Utility services coverage is also something that you should consider. This can help protect your business if there is a loss that disrupts your utilities, such as with water or electricity. And last is one that you can't forget about is equipment breakdown coverage, which can help with the repairs or replacements of key machinery if it unexpectedly fails. Now, it is important to note equipment breakdown does not cover wear and tear, just if there is a certain covered event that does impact the machinery. So overall, as a manufacturing business, commercial property insurance is a key aspect to your commercial insurance program because your property is essential to your business's success and is also just a large asset for your business as a whole. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your commercial insurance program, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you have any questions about insurance, whether it's commercial or personal related, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.